Today I'm working on this Dell computer that's not booting up, and it's giving me a flashing error code. The sequence is 3 amber and 1 white light, which means that the CMOS battery on this computer is dead and it needs to be replaced. On this particular all-in-one computer, we need to depress this tab and take out the back cover. And then we'll need to take out these 5 screws to be able to take out this metal cover. That's going to reveal the motherboard where we're going to find the CMOS battery. We're just going to pop the old one out and stick the new one in. And after that, there's one more thing that we need to do. Reassemble the computer, and the flashing error code should be gone now. But you'll get another error saying that the time of the day is not set. We're going to click on BIOS Setup to fix that. Then go to General Settings, Date and Time, and enter correct information in there. Click on Save, reboot the computer, and you should be all set. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Thanks, have a nice day.